Hey there everyone! Want to boost your Shopify store's traffic and load time? Meet Avada SEO Image Optimizer, all-in-one SEO powerhouse trusted by over 8,000 users with a stellar 4.9 star rating. What does it do? Starts with an SEO audit powered by ChatGPT to fix on-page issues, speeds up your site with image compression, lazy load, and minification. It also handles technical SEO, JSON-LD, JSON-LD, rich snippets, robots, text, 404, and redirects. Optimizes titles, alt tags, meta tags, and keywords. Tracks your site's SEO performance with easy to read reports. It also bids for both beginners and pros, auto replies, and SEO checklists to all pages, includes Google structured data so your products pop on search engines. It also offers 24/7 expert support even on the free plan. When it comes to pricing, it has free plan which can optimize 100 images, alt text, speed boost, meta tags, and other tools. It also has Pro Plan, 34.95 per month, unlimited image optimization, turbo boosters, URL optimization, broken link manager. And lastly, it has enterprise plan, which is $99 a month, all pro features, plus consulting, racket speed boost, and premium support. If you're serious about ranking higher, loading faster, and getting found online, Avada SEO is your secret weapon. Click that install button and start optimizing like a pro today.